All right, now we're going to take a look at congruent triangles. So we know that there is a difference between similar and congruent. We know that this symbol means similar, and this symbol means congruent, the whole thing. So what is the difference between similar and congruent? Well, when two triangles are similar, it means that they're the same size, but they're the same shape exactly, but one could be bigger than the other, sort of like looking through a magnifying glass. Could be one bigger, one smaller, but they all are the same size, meaning that if you have a triangle here, this is 70 degrees, and this is 90 degrees, and this is 20 degrees, you could have this triangle, which is also 70, 20, and 90, but they're not completely equal because this one's way smaller than that one. So that's what similar is. Congruent means they are exactly the same size. It is literally a carbon copy duplicate of the other triangle. So let's take a look here and see what it says. Congruent triangles have the same shape and the same size. When two triangles are congruent, corresponding side angles are equal and corresponding sides are equal. So what that means is that this angle equals this angle equals this angle equals that angle, the length of this side and the length of this side are the same, these two have the same length, and those two have the same length, okay? So it's really important the order in which you write these letters down, because when you do write them down appropriately, what happens is you can read from what you've written without even looking at the triangles and know what's equal to what. So for example here, the first will equal the first, B will equal E, and angle C will equal angle F. Side AB will equal the same length as side DE, BC, EF, AC, and DF. So again, you put these will be given to you, or you will put them in order based on what you see, but you should be able to read from here what's equal to what angle-wise and length of side-wise, as they've said right here. Okay, sometimes you see symbols like this, where you see 3 ticks equals 3 ticks, 2 ticks equals 2 ticks, 1 tick equals 1 tick, X equals X, Y equals Y, Z equals Z, and so on. So let's list here the corresponding equal parts in each pair of the congruent triangles. So I'll do this one. I'm going to say that angle C equals angle D, angle A equals angle O, and the third equals the third. Angle T equals angle G. Those are the angles. So I have to do both parts, both the angles and, both the angles and the sides. Okay, so the angles are done. Now I'm going to do CA and DO. CA equals DO. Side AT equals side OG. AT, OG, and CT and DG. CT and DG. And there I'm done. Okay, so now you do this one, and I'll see you next time.